Hi friends, good evening, and today discuss about calendar problem shortcut tricks. Hi friends, all of you listen first carefully. Shall we go to the calendar problems? Okay, so counting of weeks and days in a year. So first of all, counting of weeks and days in year. So counting of weeks and days in year. So number one, ordinary year. Number two, leap year. So ordinary year has a 365 days. Leap year has a 366 days. That is equal to 366 7 divided by 7. 366 by 7 divided by 7. 752. 7 5 are 35. Remaining 15. 7 2 are 14. Remainder is 1. That is equal to 1 odd days. So 1 leap year has 366 days. So same as 52 weeks plus 2 remainder, that is equal to 2 extra days, that is equal to the leap year. So 1 leap year is equal to 2 extra days. 1 normal year is equal to 1 odd days. Are understand? Next point. 100 years is equal to, so 100 years is equal to, 100 years is equal to, please check it the leap year, non-leap year. 100 years is equal to 76 ordinary year, 24 leap year. So 100 years is equal to 76 ordinary years plus 24 leap years. So 1 ordinary years is equal to 1 extra day, that is equal to 76 into 1 plus 24 leap year. 24 into 2, 24 into 2, so 2 means 2 extra days. 1 leap year is equal to 2 extra day, that is equal to 24 into 2, so that is equal to 124 odd days. So divisible by 7, that is equal to 17 weeks plus 5 odd days. In each 100 years is equal to 5 odd days. So again 200 years is equal to 3 odd days. So since 100 years, number of odd days is equal to 5. I understand? So 100 years, number of odd days is equal to 5. Again similarly 200 days, 300 days, 400 days. So every 4th century coming a 1 leap year. Every 4th century coming a 1 leap year. Shall we go to the next point? So in 200 years, number of odd days are, so 100 days 5 into 200 is 2, that is equal to 10. So divisible 7, so divisible by 7, that is equal to 7 1s are 7. Remainder is equal to 3, so 3 odd days. In 200 days is equal to 3 odd days. Similarly 300 days is equal to 1 odd days. Similarly 400 days is equal to 0 odd days. So 400 years, number of odd days 400 years. So we calculate the 800, every 4th century coming a 0 odd days. So 400, 800, 1200, 1600, 2000. Every 4th century coming a 0 odd days. 0 odd days is equal to leap year. Are you understand? Shall we go to the next point? So first of all, main point, if a calendar problem compulsory 2 marks compulsory examination point. If we get a 2 marks, please day code remember. Please day code remember it, and month code remember it, and ordinary and year century code remember it. Compulsory, very very important. If you major point is, if you calendar problem shortcut tricks and tips and very very important. Day code mind it, month code mind it, and yearly century code mind it. Compulsory by heart. Shall we go compulsory by heart? So day code is equal to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Sunday 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, Thursday 4, Friday 5, Saturday 6. Same as Sunday 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, Thursday 4, Friday 5, Saturday 6. That is the day code. So similarly yearly century code I will the by heart compulsory, code by heart. So even century odd days compulsory and calculate the calendar problems. Shall we go to the next question? So year century odd days is equal to yearly century odd days is equal to find out. If suppose 2010 in question, so yearly century code is equal to 2000 series. 2000 series means that is yearly century code is equal to 0. Are understanding? So in question, 1990, some date given. So 1990 is get what was the day on the 1990. So 1990 yearly century code is equal to 1. Are understanding? Same, very important, very important, compulsory by heart. So 1701 minus 1800 is equal to 5. 1801 minus 1900 is equal to 3. 1901 minus 2001. 2001 minus 2100 0. 2101 minus 2200 5. So every 4th century coming 0. 1 2 3 4. 4th century. Every 4th century odd days is equal to 0. Again every 4th century odd days is equal to 0. Same series will be continue. 5301 again 2501 and 26 and 5 odd days. Same series continues. So this century odd days compulsory. Please remember it in mind, in your mind, examination point of view. Shall we go to the next point? So next, month code odd days compulsory by heart and work out and side out the notes and side out the point is very important. Please write out the month code, century odd days and day code important in every calendar problem, shortcut tricks. So month code means easy. January, month code January 3. How will the find out the January? So January month is equal to 31 days divided by 7. 7 1s are 7 4s are 28. Remainder means 3. So this remainder is equal to 3. That is equal to odd days is equal to 3. Are you understanding? So January month code is equal to 3. Again February normal year is equal to 0. Normal year means normal year ordinary is equal to February month 28 days. In leap year has a February month 29 days. That is equal to 366 days leap year. So understand. So leap year means February month odd days is equal to 1. Ordinary year is equal to February month is equal to 0. Are you understanding? Same March month. March month is equal to January. March month. So March 31 days divided by 7. 7 4s are 28. Remaining 3. So 3 is equal to the odd days month. So March, April 2, May 3, June 3, July 3, August 3. Are understanding? Month code odd days is equal to January, February, March, April, May, 31st, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Are you understanding? So are you find out the month code? I will give structure. Please note down. Compulsory note down. April, June, September, November, April, June, September, November, 2 odd days. This is the This is the month code odd days. So June 2, sorry ma, June 2. Okay, January 3, February 01, March 3, April 2, May 3, June 2, July 3, August 3, September 2, October 3, November 2, December 3. So month code structure will be sent to next page. This is the odd days in month code: January, March, May, July, August, October, December. So this month is equal to 31 days in month: January, March, May, July, August. So 31 days month. So 31 by 3, remainder is equal to 3. So that is equal to 3 odd days. So February normal year 20 days. 28 days divided by 7, that is equal to 0 odd days. February 29 is 1 odd days. April, June, that is equal to 30 days. 30 by 7. Sorry, 30 by 7. That is equal to remainder 2. Here remainder 3. 31 days by 7 is equal to remainder 3. 30 by 7 is equal to remainder 2. That is equal to 2 odd days. Are understanding? Same. Shall we go to the next point? Are understanding? Next point. So what was day on the 23/4/1990? సో 23/4/1999 ఆ రోజు ఏ వారం అవుతుంది? 1990 సంవత్సరం ఏ వారం అవుతుంది? క్వశ్చన్ అడిగింది. వాట్ వాజ్ డే ఆన్ ద 23/4/1990? ఆర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్? షల్ వి గో టు ద సొల్యూషన్. సో వాట్ వాజ్ డే ఆన్ ద 23/4/1990? దిస్ ఇస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ క్వశ్చన్, దిస్ మోడల్. I will find out the what was day on the 23/4/19. Before table understand day code, okay, I will find out. Month code I will find out, and century odd days I will find out the work out the table given to you. Okay, please the table by heart compulsory, please remember it in your mind, please remember it. Okay, first of all question 23/4/1990. First of all, century odd days. Century odd days is equal to 1990 series is equal to 1. Okay, I understand. 1901 minus 2000. So that is equal to 1 odd days. So century odd days is equal to 1. Century odd days is equal to 01. Next, year. Year is equal to 111. Month is equal to 06. Day is equal to 23. Day means day means same put. Day means month code January to March. January to March. And the year code 89 years find out. Century odd days before table. Year code is 89 years, find out the year code. I will explain the next page. Okay, are you understanding? Okay, so century odd days is equal to number 101. Year is equal to triple one. Next month is equal to 06. Day is equal to 23. So total 141. So 141 7 2 is 140, remainder 1. So remainder 1. So remainder 1 means that is Monday. So what was day on 23/4/1990 is equal to Monday. Shall we go to the clearly explain? Before question, century. So given table is equal to 1 odd days. Year means 1990 is equal to not complete. Only April 23, 1990 will be asking to which day. So 1990 not completed year. Only 89 years completed. So 89 years completed. Okay. Divisible by 4. That is equal to 22. 22 leap year plus 67 normal year. Are you understanding? 22 leap year 67. So 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So 88. Are you understanding? So 22 leap year. 22 leap year. So 89 minus 22, that is a 67. 67 non-leap year. That is equal to 22 into 1 leap year is equal to 2 odd days. So 2 plus 67 into 1. So that is equal to 44 plus 67. 22 into 2, that is equal to 44. That is equal to 111. Year odd days. Are you understanding? Okay. So year is equal to each and every question asking what was the day on the 2015. So 2015 is not completed year. Before year calculate the year code. So 2014 calculate the year code. Same thing 1990 is equal to April was running. So 1990 year not completed. 89 years is also taken to the year code. Are you understanding? That is equal to year code is equal to 1990 is equal to not complete year. So 89 years find out. So first of all find out leap year. How many leap year? How many non-leap year? So 22 leap year plus 67 normal year. How to find out 89 by 4? That is 22 point. So that is 89 minus 22. That is equal to 67. So that is equal to 67. So 22 into leap year has 2 and 67 into 1. That is equal to 44 plus 67. That is equal to 111. Year code compulsory find out. Again month code. That is equal to 22 into 2 plus 67 into 1. That is equal to 111. Next month code. January 3, February 0, 3. So February 0, why? 1990 year is equal to not leap year. So leap year coming 1 leap year February month. So March, January month code. January month 3 odd days. February 0 odd days. March 3 odd days. Here same coming. March, April month is not completed. Before month will be taken to the calculate the month code. Okay, are you understanding? April month is not completed month. So before month will be taken to the calculate the month code. So that is equal to 6. Next day. Same put on in question given to the date 23. So 1 plus century code, year code 111 plus next month code 6 plus day code 23. Are understand? Are understand? Total 141 by 7. So remainder is equal to 1. So that is equal to the that is equal to the that is equal to the remainder is equal to 1. That is equal to the 1. So day code means remainder 1 is equal to Monday. So extra 1 day is equal to remainder 1 is equal to 1 extra day is equal to Monday in day code according to day code. Shall we go to the model example? Okay, are you understanding? Shall we go to the model? So what was the day on 23/4/1990? So solution: century odd days is equal to 1 according to table. Year odd days is equal to 1990 is equal to not completed year. So before year taken, so here that is equal to 89 years. That is equal to 22 leap year plus 67 normal year. So that is equal to 22 into 2. So one leap year has 2 odd days. So one normal year is equal to 1 odd days. So that is equal to 44 plus 67. That is equal to 111. Month code means January month 3, February month 0, and March month 3. That is equal month code. So April month is not completed. Before month will be taken. That is March month, January to March 06. Day code means in question, given question, same entry. And total, that is equal to 141. So 141 into 7. So 7 2s are 140. So remainder 1. So this is the remainder 1 is equal to Monday. Are you understanding? Same this type of question will be asking in every examination point. Shall we go to the next page? What was the day on the 23/4/1990? Each and step wise explanation. Step 1, calculate century year odd days. Please hear century odd days code, remember in your mind compulsory. Century odd days is equal to 1901 minus 2000 in table. 1 odd day. Step 2, calculate 2 number of odd days in 89 years. So 1990 years not completed year. Before year will be taken to the 89 years. So 89 years find out the odd days. That is 22 leap year, 67 normal. How to calculate the 22? So 89 divided by 4. So that is a 22 plus remaining 67. 22 into 2, that is 67. 44 plus 60, that is 111. Year code is equal to 111. Are you understand? Shall we go to the next page? Step 3, calculate to January March month. That is equal to step 3 means calculate month code. Month code means before month will be taken. That is January to March month will be calculate the odd days. So January odd days is equal to 3. January odd days is equal to 3. And February odd days is equal to 0. March month odd days is equal to 3. Okay, are you understand? So to month code is equal to 6. Shall we go to the next page? Step 4, which day given in question, enter the same day. That is equal same day is equal to question given. In question, date is equal to 23. Next page. So step 5 means all add odd days, century odd days, year odd days, month odd days, day odd days, add by divided by 7. So 141 by 7, that is 7 divided by 7, that is equal to remainder is equal to 1. So remainder 1 is equal to odd day code is equal to Monday. Are you understand? Same this type of question will be given. So next video, next page compulsory model example question will be given to you. Okay, are you understand? This type of shortcut tricks. This step 1 mind it, step 1, step 2. So shortcut tricks. Okay, are you understand? Shortcut tricks. Compulsory this type of question given, century odd days is equal to 1. Next year find out the 1990 divided by 4, that is equal to 111 odd days. Next month code, January 3, January 3, February 0, March 3, that is equal to 6. So day, given date is equal to 23. Total 141. So mind calculation. Don't time waste. Okay. Shall we go to the next page? So reference 7 141 that is a 7, that is equal to remainder is equal to 1. Remainder is equal to 1. So remainder is 1. Odd day code is equal to Monday. So reference odd day code is equal to Sunday 0, Monday 1. That is equal to Monday 1. Are you understanding? Okay.